this is original Kountry Boi, and today we'll be cooking rice and peas and chicken. Mother's Day edition, you see me? Take a look at what we have prepared for mommy. So, after we're done cook, we'll be putting the food that we cook for her on this table. Stay tuned. Right, so this is my kitchen location right now. Remember this from my last video? This is where I'll be making my fire. Rockstone. People, guess what? Remember the last video I do? When I roast breadfruit? I roast off the be use off the whole of the stick they about to replace it. But that good. Guess what we have to go do? Then we have to go and look some good pimento wood, because them the wood when you cook rice and peas on it, trust me, best thing ever. Alright, so come and we'll do that now. We're gonna look some pimento stick, wood, whatever. So we'll do that now. Meet you at the tree. Alright. So I am here. Reach on my location. I'ma see as I reach, I find pimento stick already. So now that we have a pimento stick, we are build back with fire. Just because me there replace it. Me have to go look good. True. So me I build my fire right now. Find my pimento stick. And let me just say, the aroma is sweet in the air. Pizzazz everywhere. So, let's get striking, people. Look like the lighter did that. Alright, people. Now that the fire light, let's put all my peas. Yes, and it has begun. Mother's Day dinner on the way. Alright, peeps, so look at mommy table. Anyways, in the meantime, we put peas a boil. So we'll put our peas right ago, right? So in the meantime, it a boil, we're gonna get our coconut. Because rice and peas can't go without coconut here. Alright, that one a barely a shake, so no sir, this no look good. That one a feel nice. Let's see what I go on for him. Alright, that one a shake nice. And by the way, this is how you know when a coconut is ready. You shake it and listen. So, guess what we are going to use? Voila, mala, this coconut. Let's go and chop it. Chop, chop. Coconut, coconut, chop, chop. this coconut I go. Nice. Alright, so we're gonna wash it up and then we're gonna grate it, alright people? Grate it, then extract the milk from it, then we're gonna add it to a piece of water, let it boil a little bit, and then we're gonna apply our rice and let our rice and peas cook. Oh, and by the way, I'm sorry. I know I'm not supposed to talk with food in my mouth. Alright people, so we peas are boiled for some time, so what we are going to do now is we just check to see. Alright, so now that it done boil, we're going to apply our coconut milk people. By the way, this is how it look after I grate it and extract the milk from it. So we're applying right now. Oh yeah, voila. Alright, make it go and simmer just a little tip, then we apply our rice. Alright, so now that it done boil for a little bit, we're going to apply our rice. Alright, now we're going to give it a little bit of time to go and steam, yeah? Alright, now it seems as if my rice done steam. Let's go take a look at it. Alright people, so my rice and peas are ready. So yeah man, my rice ready. Only thing I have to cook now are the chicken. People, so my chicken season. Now time to drop it in at the pot. Hey. My chicken done. Next time you see this is in a plate and me telling mommy happy Mother's Day. So guess what? Told you that the next time you see the food that I prepare, you'll be seeing it in a plate. Well, soon show you still. But first, let me just tell you, mommy is not here. She's in another part of the island, and you don't know, so the corona thing kind of have everybody family separated. So anyways, I still took the liberty to cook up a nice little meal, set up a nice little table for my mother, and me I go ring her up right now. I'm sorry, but the person you have called is unavailable. Mommy, please answer your phone. Alright, it'll ring this time. Alright, you know the greatest thing about a good woman, she always there beside her good husband. So guess what, I have to go call daddy instead. Daddy, what going? My there man, move me there on. Come here, try call her now, get her. Yep. Oh, alright, daddy. Mommy, happy Mother's Day, you know. Guess what I do? I cook for you. I'll be share it out nice. I'll put it on a nice table with some pretty pink flowers. Yeah, guess what? May I put it in may I put it as a scene in one of the video what I make.
You know, I knew that's what you never hear me. I heard something this morning. I knew that's what you're gonna. What kind of
Yeah.
fish you gonna put in there now for me now?
Yeah, man, be there, man. It nice, man. You want to see it. Nice pink flowers. I'm show you out your food. Nice. This is for you, mommy. Voila. Unveil. Mommy, happy Mother's Day. So, everybody, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And to all the mothers, happy Mother's Day. Country boy.